shredded cheese. No, not actual. No, just like tortilla chips, and then
tortillas.
like the Mexican cheese.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah.
It's super simple. Dude.
Dude, holy fuck, you're gay. Oh fuck, dude. You're like,
Oh shit! Uh oh! Uh oh! He's starting to bite.
Stop trying to bite him.
Damn.
Tackle the beast.
God damn!
Get off me! I'm getting a boner.
Whoa!
Oh fuck, dude! No! Oh shit, dude! You're so heavy. Like the board in here is starting to hit my leg.
The board?
Yeah, look at that fucking metal board right here. Or, wooden for support.
Bumbo Aclet.
Ah, dude! What the fuck?